M&M gang in this thing.
1, 2, we do skip to our own beat. Mistancakz, 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 Mistancakz. 1, 2, we do skip to our own beat. Mistancakz, 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 Mistancakz. 1, 2, we do skip to our own beat. Mistancakz, 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 Mistancakz.
Give me that steak sauce. Okay, let's do what's up on the double I gang. Cause that's what's gonna be for me. What's up, double I gang? It's on morning, and we're back with another video. So today we got this. Just calm down, okay? Just eat your food. How you supposed to eat your food, okay? That's all you gotta do. Bitch, I'm finna cut myself. Cut like this. Girl, you is so ready to eat. I'm hungry. Bitches do not eat throughout the day. I'm not hungry as you because I ate your baby ravioli. Same way y'all say I ate that sandwich. I ate her baby ravioli. ABC 1, 2, 3. I done so like eat that you right. And I ate me a good, 4 for 4. She gonna tell my steak be hard. Let me see what the fuck you got to say. We gonna try this motherfucker. Okay, I'm not even gonna try to cut it through the plate because really and truly, honestly, for some reason, I just feel like I'm gonna get dirty playing with this. If your mama's steak be hard, that's because she be cooking. Okay, this is how you supposed to cut a steak. Cut that bit like this. Shit, that bit hot. That bit hot. Cut it into sections like this. Oh, shit. Fuck. Cut it into sections like this. You've been cooking for a little minute. And if you want a lot of pieces, you just cut it like this. And then, now I got 4 pieces of steak. I'm gonna drink after this. Okay, let me get this piece of steak. Alright, let's go. Okay. You ain't Golden Corral today. Very much. Motherfucking Longhorn. Better though. Better. Okay. You is not one of them. Not too crunchy, just tender. It's good, y'all like that. Y'all see how easy it is for me to cut this stuff. I ain't broke the plate enough. I been out in good condition. Her last thing was harder than this one. That big probably cut your throat. I been lying like this, y'all. Anything I search. That bitch how hard to cook this steak though, y'all. I told her I wasn't gonna call her out and nothing like that. So I'm not. But if this bitch says anything to me, slip, on God, I'm calling her out. And watch. Or you just want me to be quiet? Yeah. Okay. Act like you got some sense, bitch. Y'all, I'm her sister, so I know every fucking thing. I'm gonna put that bitch out today. Put that bitch out. And you see how she quiet? Act like you got some motherfucking sense, bitch. Yeah. I run you, hoe. Yeah. My motherfucking maid. Now cut this steak. Girl, I don't give a fuck, bitch. I gotta edit this motherfucking video. Fuck you mean? Yeah. Bitch, like I was motherfucking saying. We can't get on live now. I'm telling you. I ain't getting on live with you, though. Oh, you ain't? Alright. Don't worry about it. Don't even motherfucking worry about it. Alright, be on my bitch back. Bitch, we can. I always turn this shit off. And she trying her hardest, y'all. Yo! Come on, my steak gonna be hard. Bitch, you I ain't gonna lie, you know, I'm kind of depressed for real, dog. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, oh God, why the fuck am I depressed, bro? I thought I ain't give a fuck, bro. I ain't gonna lie, you need to come to me for advice. I thought I ain't give a fuck about this nigga, bro. I obviously don't. I know you better eat that fucking steak, though. I feel depressed. Like, I love the steak, bro, but you know how you be thinking about some shit and some shit be on your mind, bro? Bro, you know some shit. That to my nigga. No. You better shut the fuck up. Cause I could get that to my nigga. You want me to say something, bro? You want me to say something to you? I could have gave that to my nigga. Oh, let me shut up. Let me shut up. I said one thing to your pussy ass. And shut your mouth. But anyways, y'all, you know when some shit really bother you though, for real. You really can't eat your food. But I can eat my food though. It's just, I'm kind of mad. I'm kind of upset because I didn't think this shit was going to bother me that much. Like, that's why I'm kind of mad. I ain't gonna lie. For these bitches, for these niggas, for these. But I'm gonna smoke out with it tonight and go to sleep. That's what I'm gonna do. Baby, I know what I'm finna do. I'm finna, what? Get on this drink and don't know how to think. What you got? I might need to just flip tonight, Emma. What you said? I might need to do that. You wanna go house? We can go house. You think I'm finna pay $50 for a drink when I can get 5 grams? You gotta be kidding me. Bitch, you said you was gonna go for my birthday. And you didn't get me enough for my birthday. You just lied to them like that? What you got me? Your nails done? You a fucking lie. Oh, what ain't pay for your nails? You give me some for my birthday. What? Oh, what ain't pay for your nails? That's what I want. What? I feel. And it's actually $60. $60 my ass.